morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing great this Thursday morning. Let's kick it off with the first company that I'm going to talk about this morning. It's from this company called Triunity. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Triunity Software Incorporated. This job is $35. It starts out $35 an hour to $75 an hour. Yes, you see it correctly. It is an entry level position. This job is an entry level position. Full time is contract job. And the job role for this job will be a business analyst. And let's scroll down here. The qualifications. All of these are preferred, you guys. It's not needed, it's not required, but it's preferred. A master's preferred, relevant 1 year preferred, and work authorization preferred. It's not required. So it's an entry level position, you guys. Health insurance, paid time off. We are seeking entry level Scrum Master Business Analyst. Multiple positions available. Responsibilities, elicit business requirements, features, and user stories for assign project requests and manage the product backlog. Act as liaison between project stakeholders, identify business needs and drivers of value and success. Decompose the user stories to a consumable level that is understood by the organizers, and facilitate sprint planning, daily stand-up sprint review, sprint retrospectives, and releasing planning. Facilitates collaboration for both on-site and offshore teams, resolving conflict, removing impediments, and reducing external dependencies. Coach team members and stakeholders in preparation for Scrum, ceremonies and events, and in goal attainment. Coach teams in Agile estimation techniques, makes appropriate and realistic commitments, and works closely with product owners. Uses the Jira Confluence tool to prepare, communicate, and share team metrics and delivery results. Creates a product roadmap, coaches the writing of value driven user stories, features, and epics, and maintains a well refined backlog. Provides regular feedback to the Agile transformation team about new insights and lessons learned from team experiences. Scrum Master keeps informed and educated about industry trends concerning agile methodologies. Performs other job related duties as assigned. The qualifications is minimum 0 to 3 years of experience. Entry levels with non IT background can also apply for this position. See it, you guys? It's right there. Entry levels with non IT background can also apply for this position. No prior programming, coding background mandatory for this role, but good to have familiarity. Knowledge and experience using Jira Confluence. This job has these benefits of health insurance and paid time off. And it's an 8 hour shift, which is a full time schedule, a 40-hour week, and day shift, holidays, Monday to Friday, no nights. Yes, you see it correctly. No nights for this job, you guys. And the supplemental pay types are bonus pay and tips. And once again, the education, this is preferred, it's a master's degree. Experience relevant 1 year preferred, and it's a remote position, and they're hiring for 5 candidates for this role. Yes, you see it, 5 candidates for this role. This is an entry level job position, you guys, being a business analyst with Triunity Software Incorporated. The starting pay will be $35 per hour through $75 per hour. Yes, guys, they're urgently hiring, and it is posted this today, you guys. This is a great paying job, and it's an entry level job, and it's working with a software company called Triunity, and the job role once again will be business analyst. So guys, jump on it. Now let's get into the second job that I have posted for this video. It is with this company called, if I can pronounce this right, DivIHN. I'm gonna say DivIHN Integration Incorporated. And then this job position will be for this company as a data analyst in this remote position. And the starting pay would be $22 to $25 per hour, and it's a remote position. Now, for this job, your qualifications would be preferred, and this is also an entry level job position, you guys. It's high in paying, but it's also an entry level job position. Now, the qualification will be Microsoft Excel 1 year preferred, and the benefits for this job is dental health and life insurance, and then to have a referral program for this. These are the great benefits for this job. Now, for further inquiries regarding the following opportunity, please contact one of our talent specialists, Muskin. Um, the job number, the company's number is 224-369-4238. And the title for this job, when you do call in, it'll be a data analyst, and the duration is 12 months. The location is from Round Lake, Illinois. And the job responsibilities for this job would be support, integration, activities related to field actions, coordination with cross-functioning functional teams related to service process integration and execution of projects, support standardization of project standard status tracking against milestones, weekly, monthly reports, and record reconciliation, record management, and service system. Creation of service records as needed. The qualifications for this job: associate's degree or equivalent work experience. 1 to 5 years experience in data analysis. Advanced skills in Excel. Proficiency with data mining, gathering, and analysis of data sets. Strong verbal and written communication skills with the ability to articulate complex issues clearly. Team player with the ability to be a trusted partner with operational and technical teams. Highly motivated self starter with excellent time management, prioritizing skills, strong analytical and problem solving skills with ability to analyze large data sets and present conclusions consistently. Concisely, excuse me. What is the hours of this position? Is 8 to 5 o'clock, 8 a.m. to 5 o'clock, and some flexibility. Will this position be on site? No, it's remote. What are the top 3 to 5 technical skill wants? Excel, data analytics, communication, and written skills. What are your top 3 to 5 soft skill wants? Willingness to learn, teamwork, adaptability, problem solving, excuse me, tongue twisters this morning, you guys. Effective communicator. And once again, the benefits for this job is dental, health, and life insurance and referral programming. And for the schedule is Monday to Friday, and they're hiring for one candidate. They are urgently hiring, you guys, one candidate for this role of being a data analyst for Divine DivIHN Integration Incorporated, and the starting pay will be $22 an hour to $25 per hour. It's a remote position. They're hiring for one candidate, guys. So that'll be all for this video, you guys. Those are two great, wonderful, high-paying entry level positions, guys. Entry level positions coming from the start pay of $35 all the way down to $25 for both jobs, you guys. One job starts, the starting pay will be, I'm just putting it this way, $35 for one of these positions all the way to $75 per hour, and the other one is $22 per hour to $25 an hour. Get on it, jump on it, you guys, hop on it, get a piece of that work pie. You got this. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. The opportunity is knocking. Get your feet in that right door and get in there and get those jobs, you guys. Like, comment, subscribe down below, and I will get back connected to you guys later on with another job. Talk to you later. Keep going, you diamonds. Keep shining. Let's go.